Hi, it's Elke from Spices and Jars, and in this short video I'm going to show you how easy and fun it is to create your own fridge pickles.
Here's what you need: 2 cups of your favorite vegetables, 1 cup of water, half a cup of white vinegar, a pot and a stove, and some pickling spices and 2 pint-sized jars. I have here the essential mix of spices and jars with salt, peppercorns, sugar, mustard seeds, allspice, coriander and bay leaves. I use organically grown and fair-traded spices wherever I can. In my spice mix, I use whole spices because the pickles just look so much nicer that way. And here's how you're doing it. Cut the vegetables into your preferred shapes. For example, cucumbers you can do slices or wedges. To make the jars look pretty and the handling easy, just fill half of the jars each with the vegetables. You measure half a cup of your favorite white vinegar. Then heat 1 cup of water and dissolve the pickling spices. In my case, I dissolve a bag of essential spices and jar mix. Remove the pot from the stove and stir in half a cup of white vinegar. Fill each of the jars with half of the liquid. Arrange the bay leaves and spice corns nicely. Add more vegetables to each jar and repeat filling the jars with the liquid. Wait approximately 10 minutes until the liquid has cooled down a bit and close both jars with a lid each. Let the jars cool down a little further and place them on a shelf in your fridge. Now it's time to relax and be patient. Depending on the vegetables you've used, they should be pickled in about 3 to 7 days. You can open a jar after 3 days and give your veggies a try. Just be sure to close the jar properly again and put it back in the fridge, should it not be to your liking.
The fastest way to get started with your own fridge pickling is to head over to spicesandjars.com/pickles and select one of my do-it-yourself kitchen kits. Thank you for watching and sharing.